What sectors do you think would the small cap space look to, what your small cap fund look to invest in the next 1 year? Is there any shift in terms of sectoral allocation? Do you think we should be moving out of some sectors into some sectors? Where do you think 2026 will take us in far as the sectoral bit of small cap funds is concerned?
See, the way I tend to the way we tend to look at the small cap portfolio is try to have more growth centric kind of mandates. So tend to invest more and have more allocation to where the growth is. So if you look at how the what areas we are positive as, so basically it is to do with the entire manufacturing and allied space. When I talk about manufacturing and allied space, we did discuss in detail. It's also about the capital good companies. It's also about automobile, auto ancillaries kind of names. The EMS space as well, where you are comfortable with the balance sheet and ROCs and their ability to then, generate cash flows going ahead. The financialization of savings, now that is one of the most important things which has played out over the last 3 4 years, will continue. So it is not just about banks and lenders or NBFCs. It is also about these participants, be it wealth management, asset management entities, be it the insurance brokers, in terms of the other ancillary plays to the capital market, in terms of the register and transfer agents and the exchanges. So that is one theme which we are still positive on. The other is, where India's consumption is actually either at a very premium end or at the low end. So we tend to look at these modern businesses which tend to take care of either the premiumization of, whether it's branded apparel, or when it comes to automobiles, or whether it comes to, even for that matter, more to do with jewelry for that. So that is where we are, where the consumption is still holding up. Uh, Travel is again a theme where we are positive on the hotels, the travel overall, the luggage space is which continues to still do well. What COVID has taught us that travel is also an essential thing. So a lot of people continue to travel, and which is where, so we thought that is one theme which we remain positive on. The other portion of it is the technology ER&D space and the SaaS space. It is not the old, legacy service space, but more to do with the ER&D SaaS module, or the guys who enable many of these entities to function or deliver or do business, including the logistic aspect of it. And that is where we are positive. So these are the themes where we are actually positive on. This is where we have invested. This is where we see a growth sustaining for a much longer period.